back, homies. How are you guys doing? Firstly, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. I just hope you guys get whatever you want in your life, and I just hope this year is filled with love, positivity, happiness, and just all the good vibes. Alright, so on 22 December 2020, I just sat down, I opened a book, and just opened the book and just started writing Get Abs in 2021. And the pen did not work. What is this, God? Why are you doing this to me? What is this life? Alright, anyway, so I just turned the page and started writing again. So I already had this in my mind that I will be doing the Chloe Ting's Get Abs in 2 Weeks workout challenge, the new one she posted like recently. And when I think about the first one, I'm like, the whole world, the planet Earth, the universe, everyone, like birds, animals, everyone has done it. Are you living under a rock? What are you doing? Like just go, girl, just do it. And then when she posted the new one, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this. Like, yes, girl, just get it. So yeah, and you're good there. So continuing with the notes, I used to write down everything that I was eating in breakfast, lunch, dinner. If I feel like one day I'm having something which has a very high calorie content or something which is super sugary, I would just compensate it the next day. So I used to keep that in mind all the time. I had this checkbox of whether I did the workout or not, so I used to just check mark it. So yeah, that's all I made for the notes. Alright, so on the first day, I just woke up. Yeah, and around 11:30 a.m. I had my breakfast. For breakfast I take a little bit of milk. It's like chocolate milk which my mom makes for me every day. I cannot go a day without milk. Bowl of dry fruits with almonds, cashew nuts and walnuts. Walnuts, like, it's a brain food, you guys. Like, walnuts and almonds are brain food, you name it. Then around 2 p.m. I take my lunch. I eat like saute veggies or boiled veggies at times, and sometimes boiled eggs or omelette. This is like the legit super desi style omelette that I have. It's like all the red chili powder over it, like it's like the literal desi. Then at 4 p.m. I started working out. So I was just watching it carefully, you know, what the workout looks like. That was the first time I watched it, and I was like, ah, that's so easy, I'm gonna do it. I will do it, like, it's so easy. But when I did, oh my god, it is phenomenal. It's intense. It's something which you have to keep yourself motivated to finish it, alright? So this is how the first day of my workout looked like. Oh my god, this is so funny. Okay, so I cannot extend an angle of 90 degrees with my legs. I cannot just do this to this. Like, I cannot take it together. I cannot, like, what's wrong with my brain signals, my motor nerve endings? What's happening? And when I'm bringing it down, one leg is always rushing to get down. This is so funny and so bad about it, but I don't know, I need to practice it a lot. I cannot do it till date. Disappointing, very disappointing. Sakshi, you need to learn it. Okay. After I did the Chloe's workout, I do this exercise which is my absolute favorite, and I do it for like 30 to 35 seconds and I just love it. Workout, I think it's phenomenal. It's really intense. It's awesome. I think, you need to keep yourself motivated, just as I said. I was tired halfway. The song that plays in her video, the background music, that congratulations, something that just keeps me going. I'm like, do it, girl, do it. So yeah, I think the whole workout is really good. It's very intense. It's amazing. I was so happy after doing the workout. I have some ATP left after all this. I lift weights. I think that my hands are weak AF. Like what, something's wrong with it. I don't know. I need to lift weights, and yeah, so I do 20 to 30 counts. That's all. Yeah, that was the first day of the workout. You can see that my form was not that great. Like, it was like it was my first day. So yeah, I just felt like, okay, I'm gonna get better. Evening around 5:30, 5:45 p.m. I have my tea. This is the milk tea. I cannot go a day without tea. Tea is love. Chai is everything. Okay, so I have it in my favorite Liverpool mug. Liverpool, I love you. You'll never walk alone. For the dinner, I take whatever my mom makes, whether it's roti sabji, and that day she made whole wheat pasta. God, it was so yum. So yeah, you always have to keep this in mind, that whatever you're eating is very important while you're working out, because you want to see the results, right? So you cannot just eat all the junk you want. You cannot eat like just expect. Of course, you guys know this. You're already smart enough, right? So yeah, I should not be telling you this. Okay. So make sure you guys are just balancing whatever you're eating, okay? Alright, anyway, so then the next day I started working out again. So I just watched the exercises very carefully. I just felt like I was missing something on the first day. That's what I felt. So I watched it carefully again, and I tried my best to do it perfectly. Second day I was like, come on girl, do it. Just do it, just get them. So it's like, big up yourself, because you know they don't. Yeah, like, doja. Alright, so we want to incorporate working out every day, no matter what, in 2021. Like, that's kind of one of my resolutions that I've taken this year, you guys. What's yours? Let me know. Also, I have this strange habit of not talking before working out or after working out. Like, I don't know, I cannot just do it. I cannot. Like, I just feel like I just want to listen to my music, just want to enjoy it, and just want to enjoy my workout, vlog and workout. I cannot just do it. I'm sorry about that. I kind of enjoyed it. I loved it. The second day was, like, all good. Coming on to the third day. So third day was also fun. Like, it was really cool. I just felt like I remember the sequence. Yeah. And also my form was getting better. That's what I felt like. We gotta do it right. If I have good amount of ATP left at the end of the workout, I do a plank for 1 minute. I love planking. I love planks, you guys. I love to do planks.
I can do planks all the day, guys. Like, I love it.
I'll be dead after 1.5 minutes. Really need this kind of motivation to study. Well, you need to study. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. My form was getting better, that's what I felt. And yeah, I think that was like, the great thing that I felt. I also have this resistance sling, and I just stretch it out, like my shoulder, and like, so there's something really wrong with my right shoulder. I don't know, it's trapezitis or something. This whole workout every day till 4th of January 21. And I missed it on, that's the reason I wrote it down. I missed it on 23rd, just the next day. Anyway, 23rd, 31st, 1st and 2nd. So I missed it for 4 days and I didn't do it. Also on 31st, I had pizza. And I want to tell you all this, that I have broken up with the love of my life. I've taken a resolution of quitting pizza. I will not have it for the next 6 months, My idea is to actually quit it forever, but I have just taken it for the next 6 months because. Sorry, pizza. I miss you. I miss you a lot. I don't know what is this. I'm obsessed with stupid things all the time. So the results, you all can see that I've got a little bit of visible abs, and I've got in a better shape. That's what I feel like. A little bit more curvy. And I'm so happy about it. This workout is phenomenal. I told you already. One thing which I'm happiest about is that at least I've gotten a better form to exercise. Learning to get in a good form is very important because only then the exercise would work on you. So I think just learning the form is super important. Honey, 14 days into 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 14 days. That's 140 minutes. That is all. Just 140 minutes, girl. Just that is all, okay? Or 140 minutes away from looking. You're already fired, honey, but to look a little bit more fiery, okay? So yeah, just be consistent and go get it. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you press the like button below and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.